Calling for change on how officers are held accountable when people in the public file a complaint against one. There's an independent agency responsible for looking into allegations of police misconduct that's been thrust into the spotlight. 41 Action News reporter Andres Gutierrez shares some of the changes being put in place.
Calling regarding my concerns about the treatment of Kansas City protesters by the police department.
Hundreds of similar calls and emails have flooded the Office of Community Complaints as Kansas City, Missouri is now on its 7th day of protests.
We work directly for the Kansas City Board of Police Commissioners. We do not work for the Kansas City, Missouri Police Department.
Merrill Bennigan oversees the office that's existed for more than 50 years, but not a lot of people knew about it until this week.
There is a way in which that complaint can get reviewed. That complaint will be reviewed independently, as I understand it.
We determine whether or not you want to have your complaint mediated or go through the formal investigation.
Community complaints are first classified under these 6 categories. It's then up to KCPD's Internal Affairs Unit to gather information over an alleged incident.
They are merely the group of individuals that assemble the information for the case files. At all times, we are in control of the case files, the information that goes into it. If we need additional information, we have no problem obtaining it or getting it.
However, in recent days, activists believe Internal Affairs shouldn't play a role at all in the process.
Let's sit down with the Board of Police Commissioners and start talking about strategies for dismantling and rebuilding the Office of Community Complaints. I'm not talking to somebody who obstructs me, who suppresses me.
Prior to the demonstrations, data 41 Action News obtained shows that as of April, there were 17 less complaints year to date. On Thursday, the Board of Police Commissioners announced new oversight measures of KCPD, including all major use of force complaints will be reviewed by an outside agency like the FBI, and there will be whistleblower protections for officers who report any misconduct to the Office of Community Complaints.
We're going to use every tool at our disposal at this point to make sure that we can remedy some of these situations that have been brought to our attention. And rest assured, if we don't get it right, we will continue to work to improve those systems and processes.
Andres Gutierrez, 41 Action News.
Today, the Jackson County Prosecutor's Office launched this webpage where people can report any police misconduct or excessive use of force. We have a link to this on our website, kshb.com.